Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Automates Looking at the Future of Farming. And it's not just bold, it's revolutionary. This is the 2026 Flagship Tractor. And today, we're going to take you inside, under the hood, and into the field to show you why this machine is already redefining modern agriculture. Before we even turn the key, you can see this thing means business. The body design is sharper, more aerodynamic than anything we've seen in a production tractor. But don't let the sleek lines fool you. This machine is built to conquer the toughest terrains and the longest hours. Step up to the cab, and it's like entering a premium vehicle. Touchscreen controls everywhere, surround view cameras, real-time soil analytics on a heads-up display, even climate-controlled leather seats with lumbar memory. You'd think we're in a luxury car if it weren't for the 450 horsepower engine growling underneath. Let's talk about that engine. It's a Tier 5 compliant hybrid diesel-electric system. What does that mean for you? More torque, less fuel, lower emissions. And when you hit the throttle, it responds with a smooth but powerful surge quiet for a tractor, but with all the grunt you need to pull the biggest implements across your land. It's intelligent too. The 2026 model comes equipped with AI torque distribution. When you're plowing through uneven soil, it adapts wheel by wheel, split second by split second, so you're never wasting energy or slipping traction. This isn't just about performance, it's about efficiency on a level we've never had access to before. But what really sets this flagship apart is its autonomy system. You're not just driving it, you're training it. The onboard AI learns your field patterns, your timing, your preferred turning radius, and even how you respond to different weather conditions. Then, it can take over with just a few taps. You can be in the cab, or you can be on your tablet in the farmhouse watching it do the job. And yes, it still follows all safety protocols. Built-in LiDAR, radar, and predictive obstacle recognition ensure it can stop or reroute if a person, animal, or object crosses its path. You can even set boundary alerts. If the tractor crosses a GPS-defined zone, it shuts down and notifies you instantly. Inside, this cab is your command center. The 16-inch UltraView Pro display shows everything crop data, weather integration, machine diagnostics, and real-time fuel mapping. You get 5G connectivity with seamless over-the-air updates. So your tractor is always getting smarter, more efficient, more in tune with your farm's unique needs. There's also full integration with drones, so if you're using aerial crop monitoring systems, the tractor syncs data automatically. Spot an issue from the air, mark it, send it to the tractor, and the machine will adjust its route or settings. To address that zone, this is not just farming with technology. This is technology farming for you. When it comes to versatility, this tractor handles every job like it was custom built for it. Swapping implements is faster than ever thanks to Smart Mount Tech. The tractor recognizes the attachment and configures its hydraulics, weight distribution, and software parameters automatically. Whether you're planting, tilling, spraying, or harvesting, the transition is seamless. No downtime, no manual input, just attach and go. Field lighting has also had a major upgrade. The 2026 model uses adaptive LED beams that auto-adjust brightness and angle based on your speed, visibility, conditions, and terrain. That means longer working hours with less eye strain and a safer, more productive nighttime operation. And yes, it's rugged, rated IP68 across every major system. The 2026 flagship laughs at rain, dust, and freezing temperatures. It's tested for high-altitude starts, sub-zero mornings, and 14-hour summer shifts. This thing is a beast-stand. It never takes a day off. Now, let's talk cost. This is a premium investment, but it comes with game-changing ROI, reduced fuel consumption, lower maintenance due to predictive diagnostics, labor savings thanks to semi-autonomous and fully autonomous modes. You're also looking at government incentives in many regions for hybrid electric farm machinery, which makes this model even more accessible for progressive operations. Plus, with subscription-based software, you only pay for the tools and data services you actually use. Flexibility meets scalability. Whether you run 200 acres or 2,000, this tractor grows with you. We had it in the field for 72 hours straight. Wet soil, dry patches, hill slopes, you name it. Not once did it lag, slip, or hesitate. And if something needed attention, the system told us before anything broke down. We replaced a fuel filter because the diagnostics said it was 12 hours. From fouling, that kind of foresight is unheard of, and it keeps your operation moving without unexpected downtime. Even the tires are smart, with embedded pressure sensors and real-time adjustment control. The system manages ground pressure for optimal traction and minimal soil compaction, huge for long-term yield protection. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 flagship tractor isn't just the most advanced piece of machinery on the market. It's a vision of what agriculture is becoming. A fully integrated, data-smart, self-aware system that empowers the farmer, protects the land, and adapts to your unique operation. If you're ready to lead the future of farming, this is where you start. Don't think of it as buying a tractor. Think of it as investing in an intelligent partner that works 24/7, never takes shortcuts, and learns with you every single season.